We don't intend, or anyone thinking that that sort of package can be renegotiated is not in his right senses, so that is something that we won't do. We are committed to the current framework.
Hekk iddikjara l-mexxej Laburista Joseph Muscat meta l-4 filgħodu żar ir-Riserva Naturali tal-BirdLife l-Għadira u tkellem dwar il-pakkett innegozjat minn Malta mal-Unjoni Ewropea dwar il-kaċċa. Id-direttur tal-BirdLife Steve McElwright, illi laqa l-mexxej Laburista u dawru mar-riserva, staqsa dwar il-possibilità ta' riserva naturali oħra apparti dik tal-Għadira u tax-Xemxija li ma' riserva issir fin-naħa t'isfel ta' Malta. Il-mexxej Laburista wieġeb b'dan il-mod.
I think it does make sense to have such a facility in the south, and we are committed to find a place where this can happen.
Trattat ukoll is-suġġett tal-kaċċa illegali b'Joseph Muscat jiddikjara li din mhijiex aċċettabbli waqt li żied li hemm bżonn aktar riżorsi biex il-kaċċa illegali tiġi miġġielda. Il-mexxej Laburista saħaq li l-Kabinett għandu position paper dwar is-suġġett u gvern ġdid ikun qiegħed janalizza. Qal li l-punt bażiku hu li gvern ġdid huwa favur taqsima li tħares il-protezzjoni tal-ambjent. Minnaħa tiegħu id-direttur tal-BirdLife Steve McElwright wera l-apprezzament tiegħu għal fatt li gvern ġdid huwa favur riserva naturali fin-nofsinhar ta' Malta.
Muscat said very clearly was that he will discuss in a very friendly but critical way between us what we agree on, what we disagree upon. It was wonderful to hear that he supported a new nature reserve in the south of the island, which is something BirdLife have been calling for a long time.
Tam jgħid li l-BirdLife hija lesta li taħdem ma' gvern ġdid.
We were very pleased that he came to visit a nature reserve on a very busy schedule, so it was a good sign, I think, for the future that we can work with the Labour government if they're elected.